Hi, how you doing? I'm Saeed Khan from affiliate.com, and in this video we're going to talk about low commission rates, and it can be a good thing or a bad thing. Okay, so when you think of low commissions, you think uh, it's not good, right? But let me share with you a couple of views that it could be a good thing as well, right? So I'm going to be real honest here. Like, affiliate marketing is not a walk in the park, and neither is a get rich quick scheme in any way, regardless of the various misleading information that is propagated online, for example. So what affiliate marketing is, that it's a solid, sustainable business model that requires substantial amount of effort, coupled with commitment, passion, persistence, and more. So for all the hard work and dedication that you put in to building your affiliate business, you certainly deserve to be financially compensated. Yeah, and I agree 100%. I'm with you on this. However, there could be a common limitation in relation to getting paid. That is the possibility of low commission rates. Could also turn out financially okay for you as well. It all depends on the program that you're promoting and the value of the products and prices, etc. As you may be aware, that commission rates can vary in different affiliate programs, starting from a lower to high commissions, and the commission ranges could be anything starting from 1% to commissions to even 100% commission on some occasions, promotions and programs. So when it comes to low commission rates, there are usually three possible outcomes that you may end up going for one, the other, or even both, depending on what your niche is and what your strategy is, right? And one outcome is that you promote low ticket products with low commissions, and the other outcome is that you promote high ticket products with low commission rates. And a third outcome is that you promote a combination of both types of products. So for example, there are affiliate programs out there that, for products that typically pay up to 8 to 10% commissions. These could be physical products, service-based products, or even digital products. Let's go through some example scenarios promoting low ticket products and high ticket products where the commission rates are still low for both types of products. So in the first scenario, right, let's say you're promoting affiliate programs where the products you're selling are low price products. These could typically be less than $100. Now think about your commissions on these products, right? For example, let's say your goal is to earn $300 per day, and you're selling a low ticket product of, let's say, $90, on which your commissions are 5%. So let's do the maths. 5% of $90 is $4.50. 300 divided by $4.50 is 66.67. So to earn $300 per day, you would have to sell around 66 units of these products per day. Okay, so it's definitely possible to achieve numbers like this, but you may need to put some good effort, whether that is through paid traffic or paid advertising or free advertising or free marketing. Now let's go through a second scenario. Let's say you're promoting affiliate programs where the products you're selling are high priced products, or commonly referred to as high ticket products. These high ticket products would typically be around $500 to even multiple thousand, depending on the product types and niches that you're based in. Now think about your commission on these types of products. Let's say your goal is the same as before, to earn $300 per day, and you're selling a high ticket product of $1,000, on which your commissions is still your commissions is 5% still. Okay, so let's do the maths. 5% of $1,000 is $50. So 300 divided by $50 is 6. On this scenario, to earn $300 per day, you'd have to sell just around 6 units of these products per day, and you're done for the day. Now, there are some affiliate programs in the investment niche, Regal Assets to name one, where they pay around 3% commissions, where when someone you referred invests in their products, which could be potentially in the multiple thousands to even 6 figures. Now just imagine 3% commission on how much you can earn from a $100,000 investment sale. So you're looking at around $3,000, right, for a single sale. So $3,000 for a single sale. So from these example scenarios, can you see that low commission rates don't necessarily mean a bad thing? In fact, it can be a good thing, because it all depends on the products and the niche you're promoting, which could determine how much your commission is really worth. So if you're promoting this 3% commission product real assets, for example, on $100,000 sale, investment sale, $3,000 for a sale, you only need to make a few of these sales per month to earn a good, decent income, right? So to sum it up, don't immediately be put off and disregard affiliate programs that pay low commissions. Research and learn about them to see what the products are, the quality, the price, etc. And if they're high ticket products and a good fit for your niche, but with low commission rates, then it's still worth considering promoting them, as long as you're also interested in the products, and equally important that there is a market need for the products and services. In addition, to further maximize on the value you provide to your audience, you can mix it up and promote a combination of both low ticket and high ticket products, which will potentially increase your income even more. And of course, you're providing more value to your audience at the same time. So that's it for now for this video. I hope it gave you some ideas that you can implement. And yeah, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you like more stuff like this, visit affiliateship.com/newsletter. And thank you for watching this video, and all the best.